Hey everyone! Welcome back to the YouTube channel we are explaining today. We're diving into a question that's bigger than just sports. Why do we, as a society, actually need sports tournaments? Not just for entertainment. Not just for bragging rights. But for something deeper, something human. First off, let's get real. Humans are tribal by nature. For thousands of years, we've gathered in groups to cheer for our champions. From ancient Greek Olympics, to medieval jousting tournaments, to modern World Cups and NBA Finals. Why? Because we crave belonging. We want to wear colors, chant songs, paint our faces, and stand behind something bigger than ourselves. Tournaments give us an emotional outlet. They let us root for our side without going to war. It's controlled conflict. It's passion. With rules. Next, let's talk money. Sports tournaments pump billions into local and global economies. Hotels get booked. Restaurants fill up. Merchandise sells out. Airlines see spikes in travel. Cities come alive. Even small, community tournaments bring revenue to local businesses. From the guy selling hot dogs outside the stadium, to the high school kid working concessions. Everyone gets a piece of the action. And let's not forget, thousands of jobs exist because tournaments exist. When we watch tournaments, we watch stories. Underdogs rising. Comebacks that defy logic. Athletes who grew up with nothing, now standing on the world stage. For kids watching at home, this isn't just entertainment. It's hope. It's motivation. It's proof that discipline and hard work can change your life. Ask anyone who grew up idolizing a sports hero. Like Kobe Bryant, Michael Jordan or LeBron in basketball, or Messi, Ronaldo, Pele, Diego Maradona or Neymar in football or soccer. If you are really proud American, the naming is quite a rivalry, like the rivalry of Messi and Ronaldo and such. These rivalries make moments. Those moments stick with you forever. Everyone remembers Messi winning the 2022 World Cup. Ronaldo wins 3 UEFA Champions League titles in a row with Real Madrid. Barca with the legendary MSN trio breaking the football game forever with the strongest football team in history. And all of that is only about football. Basketball fans, please comment your best memories and we will give shoutouts to you in the next video. Let's not ignore this. Mental health matters. For athletes, preparing for a tournament creates discipline, routine, and purpose. For fans, watching and participating creates moments of joy and emotional release. Ever felt low? But your team scored a game-winning goal and you jumped off the couch yelling? That's dopamine. That's adrenaline. That's therapy. Sports style. Sport is the world's universal language. During the World Cup, you'll see people from totally different backgrounds, different languages, different histories, coming together. And during a UEFA Champions League match you will start to think about the pan-European top football competition after the tensions of both world wars. Fans from different cities and of course countries giving the athletes their heart and passion, connecting Europe through sports. Just like how the FIFA World Cup connecting patriots around the world. Yes, there's rivalry. Yes, there's competition. But there's also respect. Moments where the whole planet watches one event together. We don't have many global rituals left. Tournaments are one of them. And finally, let's talk legacy. Tournaments create moments that last for decades. Ask anyone where they were when their country won the World Cup. Or when their favorite player broke a world record. They'll tell you. We pass these stories to our kids. We tell them where we were, what we felt, and why it mattered. So, why do we need sports tournaments as a society? Because they bring us together. They inspire us. They boost our economy. They improve our mental health. They give us heroes. They create memories that last a lifetime. And honestly, in a world that can feel divided, stressful, and overwhelming, we could all use a little more of that magic. If you agree, or if you have your own tournament story, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.